About the drawbacks to social media. This would definitely be a drawback. Heather McGill, the wife of Alabama State Senator Shadrach McGill, is furious over the amount of provocative posts by other women soliciting her husband for sex on his Facebook page. She's outraged about this, so she decided to respond on the social media website. Here's her statement. You can read it for yourself. She warns basically other women to stay away from her hubby or she will expose them. She has received an overwhelming amount of support since her post here. The McGills have been married for 14 years. They have 6 children together. I think it's safe to say, ladies, he is off the market.
I agree. Michael